Tech Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise. As a powerful CNC engraving machine supplier factory, it is committed to producing high-end CNC Router machine. We have more than 7 years of export experience, advanced technology assembly and testing team, and efficient after-sales team. Our main products: CNC Router, ATC Woodworking Center, multi-head and multi-axis CNC Router, foam machining center, 4-axis ATC CNC Router, 5-axis CNC Router, and various types of woodworking machines. Our R&D team focuses on providing strong technical support and enable us to obtain OEM and ODM projects. We have professional design team provides scientific, reasonable, efficient, and forward-looking design scheme. The experienced installation team carries out assembly and quality control in strict accordance with the design drawings and requirements. Solid and scientific packaging is also part of the quality of the machine. Different packaging methods can be provided according to different loading methods. We regard professional technique as our essence, pursue advanced technology, and adhere to quality to offer services which satisfy our customers. We will strictly fulfill responsibilities under the contract. Stick to the principle of quality comes first, focus on our clients. Always provide high-quality products and satisfactory services. Recruiting global distributors and business partners.